Hello. We've got a bit of Ryobi stuff to unbox here. We decided to get this because all the batteries are interchangeable, and we thought, well, we need a drill. We're not sponsored by anyone or affiliated by anyone, so let's just rip this open and see what we've got inside. Go box away. So this one comes with a nice little carry bag. Wow, have a look in here. Check this out. Got a nice little box here with, let's see, instructions. Might be handy to read those sometime. The drill doesn't feel too heavy like that. It's reasonably comfortable. Battery charger. Your handle, which will work that out. No, we'll figure that out. I'll read the instructions. Mostly we'll be using it for putting our hex pegs in and out. The legs on the caravan, stabilised legs up and down. This unit, part of the reason we got this, because it came with 2 batteries, so we have to charge these up before we use them. It all looks decent. Battery just clips in. Yeah, it feels solid but not overly heavy, and I'm sure it'll do what we want. Yeah. It does.
It's got a bit of charge in it. Ooh,
it's got a bit of a light there.
It's got a bit of a buzz to it.
Okay. We'll have a bit of a play with this.
How heavy? Can I have a feel?
Yeah, you can have a feel. But I feel like we probably should charge it up to that before we use it. Okay, next up, we've got this factory operated chainsaw. See how it looks. So I've got a 12-inch blade on it. It runs off the same battery as the other. Up here. Not too much come out of this box this time. Blade, which, a couple inches shorter, which is fine for cutting firewood. That's sort of where we're out in, full driving, there's a tree down, we might be able to get through a reasonable sized tree with this, just to clear tracks along the way. Should be good, looking forward to trying this. Really lightweight. That's going to be easy to handle. That's pretty good reviews on this.
Let's just not chop any of your limbs off.
I've got the safety glass on.
You're gonna damn you.
Let's grab this water transfer pump here. We thought we might need this if we're camped in one spot for a while, and we need to either transfer water out of a creek. We'll get an inline filter for it. So from the creek into our caravan, or possibly we might thinking about getting a water bladder down the track and having it in the car, so I can have, say, a 100 litre bladder in the car and then transfer it from there to the caravan. Oh, it looks like there's a hose in there already. Yeah. Let's get rid of that. So it's not too heavy, this thing. A good sticky tape on there. Not looking too cumbersome and big, and so you've got a couple of little hoses here already.
For rhinoceros.
For rhinoceros, right? Couple of little lengths of hose. Yeah, we'll see how they, not overly long, but that's really all you need to start with. Important thing, instruction manual. Obviously stand for the pump, so that'll sit in there somehow like that. There you go. If you're in the sand or whatever, I guess it keeps it out of the dirt a bit as well. And a few little connections here as well, by the looks. Yeah, we'd sit this in the creek. We'll have to read the instructions on this, but so you don't get all the silt and grime off the bottom. And let's see what we've got in here. Just some little spare hose attachments. A spare washer there. So it comes with that. Could prove handy. Transfer up to 1230 litres per hour. So that's about it for that. We'll have to take this somewhere and give it a little bit of a test. So I've got the bladder in the back of the car, and we've got tap on there coming down to the Ryobi water transfer pump. Plugging it straight into our water inlet here. They say that these things can be a bit noisy, so let's see how it goes. Ready for the noise? Oh, there we go. It looks like it's going to take at the moment. It has got an overload on here and a pump dry run, so I can tell you that it does cut out when the pump is dry, because at one stage I turned this tap off, and yes, I forgot to turn this tap back on, and it did cut out.